Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, Unique Creations. Today, I'm coming to you with another detox remedy I have here. It's 4 different ingredients: honey, cayenne pepper, ginger, and a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice. I squeezed the lemon. And it only takes a 1/4 cup, so measured it from right here. Also hot water. This is a detox drink. I call it the lemonade cleanse. It's also known as the master cleanse, and a lot of people use this for detoxification of the colon and anything else for your gut, just cleaning you out real good. So first thing I'm going to do here is I have my hot water, and I have the cup here. So, I'm gonna pour my water in, and then I'll start to add the ingredients. So this is a quick detox if you're looking to detox yourself, or if you know someone that needs to be detoxed. We all need to be detoxed at least once or twice a month. So this recipe calls for hot water, 1/4 cup of real lemon juice. I squeeze my juice from my lemon. Add that. Some honey here. Half a teaspoon of honey. Half a tablespoon of honey, I'm sorry. So I'll add half a tablespoon of honey here. Just make sure you don't do what I do. Is to have too much water, because you have to leave some room to add your ingredients. So I'm going to add the honey here. Okay. The next thing is a pinch of ginger, also a pinch of cayenne pepper. Don't know how much you guys can tolerate the cayenne pepper, but I'm kind of good with it now. Not so bad. So I'm just going to put like a little pinch in here. Not going to be much. Just a pinch. So that's the cayenne pepper. And it says just a pinch of ginger. Just going to put a pinch of ginger in here. Gonna stir it up, mix everything together, and you drink it. Once you drink it, I suggest you stay at home. This is not a drink and go. So you might want to just stay at home because it's a cleanse. A homemade lemonade cleanse. I want to thank everyone for tuning in. Old subscribers, new subscribers, first time on my channel, please hit the like, also subscribe button. I want to thank you all for watching. Going to definitely be doing more and more little remedies and cleanses and weight loss, because this also helps with weight loss. So I'll be continuing to add more and more different home remedies here on my channel. I want to thank everyone that supports Unique Creation. Until we meet again, have a blessed, beautiful day today. Enjoy the weather. Thank you. Now let me see if I can work this, because I've been having so many problems with this.